So it's like 11:37 right now, and I decided to do laundry because I can't sleep. And it's easier to do laundry at night because most people are sleeping at night, and so we don't have to. I wouldn't have to fight over the laundry, the washer and dryer machine. So that's what I'm doing. Yay, fun stuff. I'm kind of tired now. It's 12:23 and I'm just now starting to dry my clothes. Morning! Happy Easter! Oh, I gotta sneeze. Nah. So I'm not sure what to do with my hair, and they're starting this Easter egg hunt thing at 10:30, and I don't want to miss it, so I have to hurry. Hair's wet now. Now to just figure something else to do with my hair. Ready? Go. And now we just gotta find something to do with it. And go. Just kidding, I'm not sure what to do with my hair, so I'm just gonna leave it down. Alright, now time for the outfit. So far, I have a yellow shirt. I don't know what else to wear. So I'm just gonna wear this and then change into a real Easter outfit later. This is what I'm gonna wear for the Easter egg hunt. Which, by the way, yes, I know it's a childish thing to do, but we're all cooped up in here and we're all bored, so she said, you know what, we're just gonna do an Easter egg hunt. I don't know if that was the actual real reason, but that's my logic for it. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Sorry, I thought I had gotten the footage from the egg hunt, but apparently I didn't. So I guess I'll just show you what I have. Sorry about the lighting, it's raining outside, so it's pretty dark in my room and I don't have a lot of lights to go off of, and yeah. And I'm also gonna do a whole lot of laundry. That's the pile that I was getting done this morning / last night that took me till 1 o'clock in the morning to do. Hey, it's better than fighting people for the machines during the day, right? Anyways, let's get on to the video. Happy Easter, by the way. I'm gonna make this pile of clothes disappear. And go. What is this? Oh my god. This is great. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button and the bell so you know when more videos come out. Don't forget to watch my past videos and be safe. I love you. Bye. See you soon.